All right, well, it was a little humid still today, but how long is that going to last? Well, we asked Leah Freeman. What do you think?
Yeah, we're drying out for a weekend, so that is some good news if you like the dry heat, but the heat overall is staying with us. We're at 103 for a high today, above the normal of 98. Notice we started the day at 80 degrees once again, so another day with a warm start thanks to the clouds that were hanging out this morning, and through the afternoon we saw them clear a little bit, but they're still hanging around for the South Valley and other areas of the county here. Notice up towards the north, we're seeing a little bit of green. So if you're seeing any sort of rain, I'm not confident that that's making it all the way to the ground, but those of you in the Kern River Valley area, let me know if it is. Overall, though, we're staying dry for the region. The sunshine helping to warm us up a bit. 100 right now in Bakersfield, 101 in Lamont, 95 for the Grapevine, still nice and cool. Pine Mountain Club at 62, 67 for Breckenridge, 93 in Mojave, and 86 up in Wofford Heights. So overall, a lot of that moisture remaining north of the Kern County line. You can see those lightning bolts lighting up through the Sierra, but for us, we're starting to see things shift to the north just a little bit. The reason being that system offshore is bringing a little bit of that southwest flow up through the region, and so you can tell the drier air that's pushing that moisture up towards our north, and so that's why we're seeing a bit more clouds and storms north of the Kern County area. So that'll continue over the weekend. We're going to be drying out here and the sunshine keeping us nice and warm. So a few clouds will hang out tomorrow. 101 once again for Bakersfield, 100 Delano, 100 in Taft, and still a nice warm morning once again with some of those lows in the 80s. Warm for the mountains tomorrow, 80s down to Fraser Park, Tehachapi, 90s up towards the Kern River Valley area, and then eastern portion of the county hanging out in the upper 90s and lower 100s for Ridgecrest. A little breezy out there as well. Keep in mind, air quality unhealthy for sensitive groups continues tomorrow, and then once we dry out, the clouds clear off between Saturday and Sunday, and we're back to sunshine and heat into the beginning of next week. Temperatures hanging a few degrees above normal, but not too bad. The Kern River Valley, Tehachapi, Fraser Park, 90s for the Kern River Valley, 80s Tehachapi, Fraser Park, and then yeah, we're hanging out in 90s, 80s for the next couple days here, and plenty of sunshine.
And we'll get some cooler mornings, that's for sure.
Cooler mornings.
Not the humidity.
But still warm afternoons. But it's a dry heat, so that's
dry heat. That's what we always look for.
We can take it. We've made it this far, right?
Yes.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Leah.